We over here in an undisclosed location. Look, we found this first. I never even knew about this being back here. If any of you guys know about this and what it was, comment below. We're just wandering through the woods over here and we found this pretty cool structure someone made. It's like a cabin, but made out of all locally sourced materials, whatever he found out here. It's pretty cool though. I tried to knock to get a story, but he ended up leaving. Came back 20 minutes later, he wasn't here. But still, big him up on his, project here. Came out really good. Zoom it out a little so you can see from right here. Got a walkway and everything.
Trash can.
Yep.
See the focus eat.
Oh. We're gonna head back down this way, just further on our adventure. Take a quick peek in the kitchen. What are these in here? Look, what's going on here? Got some like things growing or something. It's weird, right? There's a slide and everything. Fire pit. Got company over. Got the fire pit going. Hold the vibes. Discovered a well-used trail out here, so I'm gonna put in some work. Just gonna go take a little look at it. It's the first steps. A little fence. She's like a house back there. Kind of crazy. It's pretty cool. It's like a little yard and stuff. Hello. So there's steps to go down that side. By the ditch.
Yeah. His old track is where it's tunnel.
I was here earlier. I don't know, just all these concrete structures up back here. Goes back more though. Hey, you there? This guy has a whole house built out here. It's pretty cool. I want to hear a story on how he built this and all. He told me to come back in 20 minutes, but I think he left instead.